Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Run It Up. I got something a little bit different for y'all today, man. We're going to be taking a look at an up-and-coming popular men's beard care brand known as Scotch Porter, man. Now, I've seen this brand making waves in the past couple of years, especially because now they are in Target stores, which is pretty big, man, especially considering, man, this is a black owned brand. So that's something that I really been looking for. Really the past couple of years I've been looking for a good black owned beard care brand, because you know what I mean, I need something that's tailored to those of the African American persuasion. So when I found Scotch Porter, man, I was really excited to give them a try. I've been using these products for about a month now, so I'm gonna let y'all know how it's been working out, what they're hitting for. Alright, so basically I started out with, you know, the basic beard care kit. Now it did also have some like beard growth pills, like some A pills. I'll put a picture up here. Those are already done. And I did have another leave-in conditioner, which I do need to re-up on. I really enjoyed that a lot. But overall, man, so starting off here, we got the beard wash. We got that goes along with this beard conditioner right here. So the beard wash, this is used, I believe, twice a week is the normal, you know, recommended amount, twice a week. And the beard conditioner is something I use every day. So overall, pretty simple. Beard conditioner every day, beard wash twice a week, nothing too crazy. And then moving on, we got our beard balm right here, and then our beard serum. So basically how it goes, like full wash day, wash, beard conditioner in the shower or washing your face, you leave it on for 2 minutes, wash it out, then you put in the leave-in conditioner, followed by the beard balm, and then the beard serum. So overall, man, what this whole system does is hydrates your beard and leaves it looking, you know, shiny and pristine. Overall, I'm not complaining. Like I said, I've been using for the past couple months, and my beard is really the softest that's ever been. I think this is definitely the best condition my beard has been in since I've had a beard, you know, about 10 years or so now at this point. But it's never been in this good of condition. So I'm really excited, really happy with how these products are working so far. This is the original Porterhouse Scent. So this is just their house scent. At the moment, smells pretty good. Everything here smells good, man. Can't complain. And other people like the way it smells too. It does give a nice fragrance that isn't offensive, isn't too overpowering or anything like that. There is a new scent, however, Miami Duppy, that I do want to give a try. Does sound pretty intriguing, so I think next go around, I think I'm going to try that out and see what that's hitting for. But like I said, man, really excited to finally find a black owned beard care brand. Really excited with the results so far. If you have any questions, y'all let me know and I'll answer them to the best of my abilities. One thing too, the biggest thing with whatever beard care line that you're using is the routine and consistency. Finding that routine and then staying consistent with it in the morning and at night is what's going to give you those results that you're really looking for. That's where I struggled with a lot, because, you know, just not doing that beard maintenance every day is not going to get you the results, man. It's something that you got to do every day, even at night before you go to bed. You know, make sure you're getting that product in there, make sure you're hydrating, keeping everything moisturized, keeping that moisture locked in, and that's what all these products are designed to do. And the whole system is laid out pretty simple. I'll put a picture of the care package that came in with all the products, gave you, you know, the lineup on how to use them, and so far everything's been great, man. So definitely recommend it to all the brothers out there. Even if you're not of the African American persuasion, man, give it a try. If you have rough hair, coarse hair, this is definitely gonna do the trick, man. Definitely gonna keep that moisture in there, make your beard a lot easier to groom and maintain overall. Right now I don't really have a lineup or anything right now, so my beard is a little bit crazy looking. Tomorrow I am gonna give it a nice little trim though, so definitely looking forward to trimming down and just, you know, starting the process over for the most part. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got for y'all today, man. Let me know if y'all want to see after I trim down. I can do like a 30-day update of how my beard grows in and exactly how it's looking and everything like that. If that's something that you guys want to see. Did it help my beard grow at all? I would say, I mean, like I said, consistency is key. consistently doing the beard routine, I was able to, you know, just grow in some of the weaker spots of my beard. I believe just by sticking to the routine and doing it every day definitely helped. I don't know if it necessarily was because of the product itself, but you know, I'm sure it didn't help the process. I mean, I'm sure it didn't hurt the process. But yeah, that's it, man. Catch me on the next video. Make sure y'all drop a like, subscribe, leave me a comment, and let me know what y'all think about Scotch Porter, if y'all tried it or if it's something that y'all are looking forward to trying, man. But that's all I got for y'all today, man. Keep it locked until next time. Peace.